In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn Events. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. LinkedIn Events is a powerful tool for networking, sharing knowledge, and promoting your business or professional gatherings. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and sign into your LinkedIn profile. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you'll find everything you need to get started. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu on your homepage. Here, you'll locate and click on the Events option. This section is dedicated to all things related to events, whether you're creating one or browsing existing opportunities. Next, go ahead and click the Create an Event button. This will open a setup window where you can begin adding all your event details, so let's make sure everything is covered here. A compelling cover image can make a huge difference in attracting attendees, so be sure to upload a high-quality image that represents your event professionally. It should capture the essence of what you're hosting and entice people to join. As you think about the kind of event you're planning, you'll need to select whether it will be held online or in person. This choice will depend on your specific requirements and your target audience's preferences, so choose wisely. Now, let's focus on the event name. Enter a clear and engaging name that reflects the purpose of your gathering. Additionally, it's important to select the correct time zone. This helps your audience know exactly when to join, regardless of where they're located. Subsequently, set the exact start and end dates and times for your event. This is critical to ensure attendees are well informed about when your event will occur. Uncertainty around the timing can lead to confusion and missed opportunities. If there's more information you'd like to share, or if attendees need to register elsewhere, it's a good idea to provide an external website link. This could lead them directly to your company's page or registration site, making it convenient for them to gather whatever details they need. Next, it's time to write a detailed event description. Be clear and engaging, outlining what attendees can expect. Adding relevant hashtags can also enhance visibility, as it helps the LinkedIn algorithm recommend your event to the right audience. Another great way to boost interest is to add speakers who are connected to you. Highlighting their expertise can add significant value to your event and attract more participants eager to learn from talented individuals. Finally, once all your details are entered and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Post button. This action shares your event on your feed and notifies your network so they can join and spread the word. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a LinkedIn event. Now, check your result to ensure everything is displayed as intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find great success in your LinkedIn